Welcome to Audi Approved Plus Strada Used Car Sales Online. Today we are looking at this beautiful 2023 Audi E-Tron Gt Quattro. It's fully electric combined with an automatic gearbox. The car is done in this beautiful meat gloss black. Comes equipped with 360-degree cameras that you have on the front of the car, on the mirrors of the car, which are just here. The car comes equipped with 20-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy glass. Around to the back you have your another camera, very spacious boot. Into the back seats, there's plenty of leg room and head space. The seats are done in this beautiful all black leather. Your rear climate control, cup holders. Into the front, the car is equipped with child locks, the upgraded sound system, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control. You have your touchscreen dash, your climate control, heated seats, your gearbox, cup holders, charging ports and USBs. You can control everything on your dash in front of you. This car comes fully prepared and fully serviced to Audi approved standards with a 1-year warranty and roadside assistance. If you would like any more information about this car or would like to take it for a test drive, feel free to give us a call on 041 213 6200.